you guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So I'm standing in the kids' bathroom. That's right, I'm in the bathroom. Don't want to be in their bathroom, but there are some things that have to happen in here. So I was in here not very long ago, and I noticed that their shower curtain, which is silver normally, was turning colors. And it's like rusting a little bit. So I needed to replace their shower curtain, but then I noticed something else. Friends, Romans, and countrymen. The foolishness of it all. The foolishness of it all. This is the kids' under cabinet. They both share. So this is Jackson's side. This is Alana's side. We don't know what, why, when, how. We just know that there is some intense and indeed foolishness that is happening on her side of the cabinet. So what I'm going to do, because I have to change the shower rod out anyway, is I'm going to have the kids come in and I'm going to change this out. We're also going to change out their shower curtain just for the fall season. I have a older one that I've had in my bathroom, and we're just going to pull all their rugs out so that we can wash those. But I'm going to have the kids pull all this stuff out, all their own individual things. And we're going to bring a trash bag in here and clean this out. We have toothpaste spills and stains. So I'm going to get the kids to actually wipe down everything with Clorox wipes to make sure that everything is nice and sanitized. We did clean the bathroom yesterday because we had, my sister came over. But what we are going to do is just wipe off that, wipe off the mirror again. And we'll probably go around the toilet again. We won't video that, but we'll do that. But we're just going to take the next 10, 15 minutes to really get this bottom thing cleaned out because it's just teamed too much right now. And I'm going to change out this shower rod. I did buy that at Walmart the other day just so I'm able to, because if you look at it, it is starting to turn colors. And we've been in this house for 4 years. So it's time to switch that out. No problem. And I picked this out. This is just like a toilet paper holder. We're going to give this a try. And then this is the set that I had in my bathroom once upon a time. When I had that type, I had this color bedspread on my bed in my bedroom. But for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this in the kids' bathroom. So we are going to sweep the floor and just give it a quick Swiffer. Just really around that toilet to make sure that it's all nice and clean. And then we are going to just, like I said, the main thing in here is getting the kids to clean out their cabinet. So all three of us are going to find some kind of way to get into this closet and into this bathroom and do what we got to do very quickly. Let me get those rugs out and the trash can. Let's get all your stuff out. This can go. Just make sure. Look at this mildew. That can go. I'll need some more tub cleaner. That's just for this. I need some tub cleaner just for the tub.
Like what? Like what?
Like the orange, magic orange, or whatever we have. The orange stuff, orange clean.
Orange clean. So,
magic erase stuff.
So like a magic eraser?
This one is for trash. It'll just go out into the outside. That one will go, I don't know, we'll see. Probably need to snip that off.
I like pull it.
Yeah. The baseboards will
I
need to
can
be
pull it
left
out.
off. Probably let's just snip it. And if the floor is dry now, we can, it's because of that cleaner in there. Watch out. Ooh, yeah. Put that one by the toilet. And then that one over there by the shower.
Double ever?
Yeah. So it'll hold 3, and then just put it on this side and put that plunger on the other side and the what's your name on the other side. Alana, put that on top of that. No, go it this way.
Oh. This?
Yeah. That way.
Do I need the back one?
What you're gonna have to do is bring your stuff out here. You can't go in there. Period. Take this. Huh? Take that back. Alana, find a mask to put on. Just grab one of Mom's.
Mine are
Okay.
They're just funny. Okay.
And I'm gonna have to get y'all a new liner.
Right. You don't watch out 1,000 minutes. Never once did you think you have to wear a mask and you don't know.
This is trash. That's for the dryer. That's trash.
You mean the washer?
Here's some more trash. Ouch. But that's, both of those are trash. He needs to just get his stuff out because his Allison is already acting crazy.
Yeah.
He just needs to get his stuff out. This is for trash.
What's the trash?
That's going on the
All
other
that
side.
or just...
Both of them. It's just,
I thought you said we didn't need an liner.
look, somebody said, that was not me. I asked the question and it was a no, but it turns out that it is actually a yes.
And not being there.
Oh, flower. Inside. No. I know, it's like stuck in my head now.
That's zero.
Alrighty, you guys, so we ended up having to do a massive clean. When I took the shower liner and curtain down, it was just nasty. And so I just had the kids go in and do the shower. We didn't show that part. But we changed out the rugs. We swept, Swiffered. They did baseboards all around. Changed out the rugs here. So it is a little bit more adult colorish, but it's clean. And that was the main thing for me. It's very fall, so I'll take it. Everything there is pretty clean, streamlined. Just put a different hand towel. But this was the issue. So now that we have gotten this cleaned, we actually put a shelf under here. We were going to put it on sister's side because she has more stuff, but Jackson's stuff fit. The way the shelf is and the way that water pipe is under there, it's a challenge to get it in. So this fit, and with having to find a different home for towels and stuff, now if I need to put towels in, I can actually put towels on top of here. So on top of that one shelf there, and I can actually put a few towels on that bottom shelf there if I needed to. So that was the main thing that needed to happen because it was just too much, and that's not how we're trying to live our best life. So anywho, that is done. I'm thankful. That's one more project that is out of the way. So there it is, you guys. Just a few little projects we're doing around our house when we have a few free minutes. So we do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Bye now.